Doris said, what that girl for me? Call her. Doris said, Doris, come here. You know, yes, I call you. Tap my head. No, come and sit down on top of my head. Sit down on top of my head. Why are you standing on my head? It's not your fault. It's not your fault. Go and get me drink of water. Through the dark, you roam alone in the silence. Hear the cries of the broken of your lies. Wicked soul, what have you done? Turned away from the light, from the sun. In the mirror, do you see the reflection of your misery? Come. No, tell me. Nashuko, I won't give water. Every step you take, you fall. Wicked soul, come here. Come here. Come here. I'm supposed to pour this water for your head. I'm supposed to spoil them. If not, be say cold wait there outside. Eh? If not, be say cold wait there outside. Eh? See. You must have enough. The market where I send you go to for you don't. You just won't go. I don't send you message. Sorry. Am I not paying you? Eh? Am I not paying you? If they eat from my house in the morning, you go eat afternoon. You go eat dinner. You go eat 3 days food. Every day you're supposed to eat. You go eat some one day. But still, you are not useful. You are just useless. I sent you go to market this morning. I'm very sure Chukwemeka no get golden moon for house. Everything you go take. I give you just 10 minutes. Just 10 minutes. You should go and get your food and get it prepared. Because my husband will soon come from work and he needs to get lost. May stand up for my phone.
20 minutes later.
What are you talking about?
Can you find the path to grace, or forever hide your face, wicked soul?
Hello, ma. Hello, ma. As I enter now, I don't know what happened to my madam. I don't know what she's talking about. She was doing, as I just entered, she's not even breathing again. Okay, ma. Madam. Madam.